Hello and welcome back to my channel, What Goldie Loves. Today I'm going to share with you some things that I use to create my YouTube videos. These are just a few items that I use to create my videos, and I'm sure as time goes along I will be purchasing more items such as a nice camera, I would like another tripod, and so on. I know masks may seem like a small thing, but we're living in COVID times and we have to protect ourselves and we have to protect others. So masks are on my list of things to use when I'm creating my YouTube videos, especially if I am outside amongst other people. I want to protect myself and I want to protect others. Now, I purchased these masks from Amazon in a bundle of 50. I have seen these masks in the stores running for $19 to $40, and I only paid $3 for these at Amazon. My next item that I love is my IVC ring light. It's 18 inches and it gives me really good lighting when I am filming. Now on the bottom here we have the power on and off button and the dimmer light, and also the hookup to plug the light up. You see my puppy, she always in something. Yes, I love this ring light. I think every YouTuber should have one. And I will put the code to this 18-inch ring light in the description. The next item I'm talking about is my Phobro camera holder. I am unboxing it. I really love this thing because it is so flexible. I could wrap it around anything and it will hold. It will not fall if you wrap it correctly. Look how flexible that is. I could bend it. And it also comes with the camera holder and also your phone holder all in one. When you're filming, you can use this handheld, or you could just attach it to something very easily. Stand it on your desk or wrap it around any type of pole. And here is the attachment for your camera holder, or again your phone holder. And this is very flexible as well, not in a sense where it bends, but there are two buttons on the side that assist you with lifting for the size of your phone. I'm working it out, trying to figure it out. So, okay, squeeze it together and it lifts. Come on, lift, girl, lift. This is me trying to figure it out without reading the directions. There it goes. See how I lift that up? And any size phone can fit in there. You can also take that piece off to screw your camera in. And then it turns. It rotates. There's a button at the bottom that actually rotates the phone. No matter how you sit it, you can always adjust it and rotate your camera facing wherever you need it to face. Okay. So if you take that phone piece off, The phone attachment is where you can actually screw your camera on. Unfortunately, I cannot show you right now at this present time how to attach your phone or the camera because I don't have a camera right now, but my phone, I'm using my phone to actually film this video. And now we move on to the makeup. Yes, I use makeup when I film my YouTube videos. I don't know about you, but I like to touch it up a little here and there, okay? And as you can see, I have makeup everywhere. So, my husband bought me for my birthday, which was January 22nd. My husband bought me a makeup organizer. Oh no, a makeup kit. No, a makeup case. That's what it's called, case. Oh, I love my case. And now I could have a little bit more organization going on with my makeup, and I don't have to have it all over the bathroom sink. So I am going to open it and show you all of the features, which is cool. Like I have a little spot for all of my pencils, all of my eyeshadow, my concealer, everything. I actually saved the unboxing for you guys because I wanted to share this moment with you. I love playing in makeup as a girl. Now a woman, I still love playing in makeup. Here are all my pencils for my lip liner. Some of them I use for my eyebrows. So let me tell you some of the things that I have in my makeup case. Okay, I have, you know, my foundation, and some of my favorites are my eyeshadow. So I have my Tarte eyeshadow palette, and I have my complexion blending sponges, which I love. The blending sponges that I like really well are the Real Technique and the Morphe. And I will put the code in the description box just in case you would like to purchase them for yourself. I love lashes, and this is the brand that I have been trying lately, actually practicing putting them on. Eylure London Luxe Cashmere. I'm not sure if I said that correctly, but I have gotten really good at putting these on. I really like them. I like the texture. I like the length. I love everything about these lashes. And now that I have put most of my makeup belongings into my new makeup case, let me show you what it looks like. Everything fits. Everything has a place. And yeah, there you go. Now let me close it on up. See how heavy it is. Okay, not heavy at all, not heavy at all. I like. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. And also, I will be putting all of the codes to every item in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.